different sound even when I'm talking. That's how natural or traditional we've been trained in the bush.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
What?
Talking, like I said, I can hear this one and this one and this one and this one. I can hear this one and this one and this one and this one. That's how we traditionally. So giving you that idea is yeah, we know the bush. That's all. We know the bush. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you cannot take the risk, if they're charging.
Everything is risk. If you step your foot here from the start point, you're risking.
Yeah.
Remember,
My mom doesn't know.
It's not your permanent home living area, though.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're in session 2 now.
Okay.
This is where people, they get relaxed, very soft, because they think about the first session. That, oh yeah, it was relaxing, it was nothing intimidating us. I'm saying this to bring you back to the same track. You've been behaving good from the first session.
Mm-hmm.
Do the same, please. Same rules apply. It's not over yet. Anything can still happen. And that's the way for us to respect nature. Okay. You got all your stuff, ne?
Yes.
Good.
Mm-hmm. Eric, vamos.